Hi, I'm Thomas. What's your name? Hi, I'm Thomas. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Sydney. What about you? I'm from Sydney. What about you?
I'm also from Sydney. It's very hot there now. I'm also from Sydney. It's very hot there now.
Yes, it is hot these days. Do you like summer? Yes, it is hot these days. Do you like summer?
Not really. I like winter. What do you like to do? Not really. I like winter. What do you like to do?
I love painting. What about you? I love painting. What about you?
I like playing cricket. Can you paint landscapes? I like playing cricket. Can you paint landscapes?
Yes, I can. Would you like to see one? Yes, I can. Would you like to see one?
Sure. I'd love to. Sure. I'd love to.
Here it is. Here it is.
Wow, it's beautiful. I like the colors. Wow, it's beautiful. I like the colors.
Thanks. What do you do? Thanks. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you? I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in a design studio. I work in a design studio.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and share now. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share now. That sounds fun. Do you live with your family? That sounds fun. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers. Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers.
I have one sister. She is very kind. I have one sister. She is very kind.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like and share now. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like and share now.
That's nice. Can I ask something? That's nice. Can I ask something?
Of course. Of course.
What did you think of my painting? Be honest. What did you think of my painting? Be honest.
It is great. But maybe add more detail to the sky. It is great. But maybe add more detail to the sky.
Good point. Why didn't I think of that? Good point. Why didn't I think of that?
You Ray already good. Just a small suggestion. You Ray already good. Just a small suggestion.
Thanks. I'll work on it. Thanks. I'll work on it.
It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Can we meet again and talk more? Same here. Can we meet again and talk more?
Sure. I do like that. Let us stay in touch. Sure. I do like that. Let us stay in touch.
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
I would like some brigade. I would like some brigade.
Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk?
Where would you like to go this weekend? Where would you like to go this weekend?
I'd like to visit the mountains. I'd like to visit the mountains.
What would you like to do tonight? What would you like to do tonight?
I would like to watch a movie. I would like to watch a movie.
Would you like to join us for dinner? Would you like to join us for dinner?
Yes, I would really like that. Yes, I would really like that.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like and share now. subscribe, hit the bell icon, like and share now. What would you like to learn this year? What would you like to learn this year?
I would like to learn spoken English. I would like to learn spoken English.
Would you like to try new something? Would you like to try new something?
Yes, I would like to try cooking Chinese food. Yes, I would like to try cooking Chinese food.